Just had a rainstorm last night, and it's pretty cool this morning, and pretty breezy actually. Probably too breezy to go out on a longer ride, but this is just a motovlog test. I guess as a new motovlogger, I gotta test different things. Right now I'm wearing my coat because it's cool enough. You know, it's cool enough to go either way. But I want to wear the coat because I want to see if this puts any noise in the microphone. So this is mostly an audio test. And also a little introduction to my near wreck the other day. So, once again, I was out testing my motovlogging equipment, and I was on a, you know, a wide road, wide lane anyway. So I could choose, you know, taking the outside or the inside. But it's not a two-lane road. You don't pay attention to people. Look in both mirrors, not only the left mirror, but even the right mirror. Even on a road where you think that nobody's going to come up beside you, then you're going to see this happen. And you know what? Things like that happen quite a bit. So be careful. You got to pay attention even when you don't think there's a possibility of somebody coming up beside you. Wind is blowing, you know, reasonably hard. Yeah, right here, very good gust. That's good. I'm only doing about 30 right now. And I got my yellow coat on. And the yellow coat has holes in it that it might cause some buffering in the camera mic. This is coming up on winter time, and I'll need to be wearing my coat more and more. I want to make sure it doesn't mess up my audio. I think I finally figured out how to get some good audio. The life of a motovlogger is filled with equipment experimentation. After that guy almost hit me, I went ahead and put these on, just so I'll remember to pray.